Gentlemen, welcome to the digital dystopia, a world that gives you the illusion of being free, all at the low cost of selling who you really are for the highest fee. Whatever it is you desire, we already know thanks to all of that beautiful information that you love to give us for free. Wanna be the real me, break out of the lunacy, gonna find myself again. This venom is killing me, in my heart so willingly, break out of the lunacy, gonna find myself again. Break free, trying to strip the chains, don't know everything. Break free, trying to strip the chains, I don't know. Break free, time to strip those chains, don't check no empathy. Skrill. When you open your eyes, we're already in your head with notifications when you wake up. We saw you stop in that picture for exactly 4.8 seconds. So you must be feeling a little horny right now. Soldier info 30 be spared for dating apps and pills. So connected, yet feel so alone. I don't wanna be known. Reconnect, I don't want bad friends. I'm taking back control. Are you ready? Gonna find myself again. This venom is killing me, in my heart so willingly. Break out the lunacy, gonna find myself again. Break free, time to strip those chains, so take no empathy. Break free, time to strip those chains, so take no weapon. Did you like that? So the next song is about an issue that is not just an American problem. It is not just a European problem, an Asian problem, or an African problem. This is a global problem. And we are talking about corruption. So, some places around the world are very fortunate to be able to have had a big impact on this. Has anybody here heard of the Sustainable Development Goals? Yeah. Well, Northeast India is making some terrific progress on the Sustainable Development Goals. So give yourself a big hand. This is people power. When everybody works together. Would you like to sing this song with us? All right. This has one word in the chorus. It goes like this. Yo, Sonny, give us a beat, man. All right, repeat after us. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Louder. Come on. Money, 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 money. This is Gangsta Bankers. Are you ready? Hands up in the sky, everyone. Here we go. Money, 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 money. All I want is to bring back honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to bring back honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to bring back honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to bring back honey.
Priorities, I only got one. To make a ton of money, however it may come. I'm a light cheat, steal to seal any deal. I got no shame, no guilt, a hustler for real. When I built a Ponzi scheme, I lured all your cash. I even tripled it in the '08 crash. There's a slim chance of ever getting caught. Got the politicians, police, and bureaucrats spot. Why you think the laws didn't change? Why you think the system didn't change? Lobbyists fought any change. Just a number in my bank account, yeah, that changed. Why you think they don't punish bankers? Why do you think they bail us out and then they thank us? Why you think they used to hang bankers? Speculate, manipulate, I'm gangsta banker. Money, 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 money.
All I want is to win back, honey.
Money, 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 money.
All I want is to win back, honey.
Money, 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 money.
All I want is to win back, honey.
Money, 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 money.
All I want is to win back, honey.
Priorities, I only got one. To make a ton of money, however it may come. I'm a lie, cheat, steal, to seal any deal. I got no shame, no guilt, a hustle for real. When I built a Ponzi scheme, I lured all your cash. I even tripled it in the '08 crash. There's a slim chance of ever getting caught. Got the politicians, police, and bureaucrats spot. Why you think the laws didn't change? Why you think the system didn't change? Lobbyists want any change. Just a number in my bank account, yeah, that changed. Why you think they don't punish bankers? Why do you think they bail us out and then they thank us? Why you think they used to hang bankers? Speculate, manipulate, I'm gangsta banker.
Money, 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 money. All I want is to win back, honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to win back, honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to win back, honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to win back, honey.
All right, you guys ready? Are you ready for this?
Money, money, money. All I want is back, honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to win back, honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to win back, honey. Money, 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 money. All I want is to win back, honey.
Money, 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 money makes the whole world go round. Money, 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 money.
Rocky
Thank you, Shirock.
Rocky.
I'd like to introduce you to our band, Rainy Sahara. On the bass guitar, make some noise for Rajat. On the guitars, we have Bawan. On vocals, we have Rain Zhang. And on drums, how long do you think this guy's been playing with us? We have Sunny, who has learned our entire set in just 3 days. Give it up for Sunny! That is incredible! And we are so lucky and delighted to have him with us tonight. There is also something else that we need to talk about with our next song. In this song, we want to see you guys go absolutely crazy, because we only have 2 songs left. So if you're feeling this energy tonight, if you're feeling the message, you guys are feeling the message. If you're feeling emotions of frustration with how the world is today, how we can harness that energy into something positive. Let's bring out that energy tonight, share it with everybody, and realize that we are not alone in this belief of how we can shape the future of our world. This song is Disobey. Thank you very much. This is our last song. But before that, we have some thank yous. We'd like to give a big thank you to the Shirock team, the government of Manipur, for making this event possible. So give her a big round of applause for everyone making this thing possible. We know that there have been some disturbances in Manipur, and our hearts go out to what you've been going through, and we just hope that there is peace for everyone in this region. We have a very important person here tonight who's essentially the sixth member of this band. So I want everybody to put one finger up in the sky and point it to the back right there for our brother Rocky on sound, and a big shout out to Shiu Lights, Rup Jyoti on visuals. On the count of 3, I want you to say, thank you, Rocky. 1, 2, 3, thank you, Rocky. This is the last song to go absolutely crazy on. This song is all about building a better future for the younger generations and holding our leaders around the world to account to make sure we're moving in the right direction. This song is called You Think Our Future is a Joke. Are you ready to go crazy?
Guitar.
Just no right. The future is growing darker every night. I really don't know if we can make things right. I know we're not gonna just sit, shut up.
Bring the pain, love the pain, that's your radio system insane. Bring to the core, we won't play your game. That's how we're gonna take you to Maine. Bring to the core, don't matter what trains. What have our leaders gone? Still in the Amazon, under the planet with some blood damage or silicon. What has the vision gone? Monsters and cards are torn. Bring to the core, we won't be your pawns.
We will never be defeated. We rise, we rise. We will never be defeated. We rise, we rise. You think our future is a joke? Are still of no concern. Failure around the world is now absurd. I know we're not gonna just sit, shut up.
Your game, no shame, your aim, our pain. Filling our future, suffocating our dreams. Enough of this game, I'm feeling the whole is going insane. Bring to the core, to our dreams. What have our leaders gone? Running a global con. What's in our planet with your fossil fuel marathon? Where has the vision gone? Our social gunners to on. Bring to the core, we won't be your pawns.
We will never be defeated. We rise, we rise. We will never be defeated. We rise, we rise.
Our lives, we're united for the fight for our lives.
Now it's our time, can you feel it? Our calling, our calling, our calling, our calling, our Ladies and gentlemen,
Thank
give
you
it up
so
one more
much.
time for Rain in Sahara.
Thank you so much. We have one last message for you tonight. No matter where you are, no matter where you're from or who you are, you have a voice, and it is powerful. Let's keep chasing the dreams that we have, pursuing them, and building a better world together. Do you feel this? Thank you very much. We have one last question. Would you like to take a picture together? All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Rain in Sahara. They have definitely let rock and new metal reign in Ukrul. Right? How was it like performing for Ukrul? How was your
This was
experience?
our first time in Manipur. You guys have insane energy. We are going to be hanging out with all of you guys tonight. We got an incredible lineup for the rest of the evening. Come say hi. And if any of you guys are working on any projects, we'd love to connect with you and see how we can help and maybe work together.
Rain in Sahara, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. It looks like Ukrul has fallen in love with Rain in Sahara. See you again soon, brother. Thank you so much.
I think the mics are off.
Tonight, are you having fun? But we're just getting started. Are you ready for more? Are you ready for more rock and roll? Thank you, thank you. That is the energy. Let us keep it up. All right. We have a very special show for you this very evening. And for that, I would like to request every one of us present here to turn back. Something special is waiting for you at the back. And look up the sky. Look up to the sky. We have something special for you. And we will be right back with a great performance from another rock band. Kindly look back. We have a special performance arranged for you. Ukrul, we have arranged a special drone show for you. Please turn back so that we can witness this magnificent show.
Turn back so that you can witness this magnificent show. Turn back, ladies and gentlemen. Towards your back, ladies and gentlemen, towards your back. Turn back.
Tonight, we gather under the open sky, in the hills where the lilies bloom, where legends breathe, and where harmony finds its roots. Welcome to Ukrul, the land of the rare Shirui Lily and rarest of spirits.
Yaifarabang asigi ahingsida hangla atiya makhada aikoi mayam pullare. Athauba kayagi poknafam nungshi chanana punna hingminnabagi haurakfam oiriba loibi chingi napumseda leika fanna shatli lili kaubilerangna.
Here, in the northeastern embrace of India, beats a heart that is gentle, strong, and proud. This is Manipur, where nature and tradition walk hand in hand.
Bharat ki awang nongpok chidaida moong hadana tomthin ngalibi mahausa imagi fazabaga chatnabi kayaga khutsamnana chatminariba iramdam Manipurni.
India we Bangkala Kayakha Ukum Di Manipur na tinglon ay na Katana Marunga Bangsinda Center.
The Shirui Lily, delicate, pure, and found only here. A flower that blossoms through the mist. A symbol of what makes this land unique. The pride of Ukrul.
Iramdam asibu saktaklibi iramdam asi khaktada satchabi leisalala laiting oiribi maktraba shenglaba lairangni Shirui Lily Ukrul gi chauthok chafamni.
Shirui Lily Nuizon the Rithaya Gala Himangli Sampanga Leichui Kongpan Lumli Kangatam Awan Kalehi Kakang Dahaya Takang Sat Akoma Kana Ukrul Kayana.
Nongin, our state bird, our spirit in flight. It is much more than a bird, but the embodiment of grace and beauty.
Aikoigi lamdam asigi sakhang uchek nongin shuknagi uchek amakhak natti lemjaba amadi ningthibagi apunba shaklon amani.
Nongin itum state bird akamayali gashikame iya banao akakumasanjali langmaida very usamet ana kamatawi kudamna.
And deep in the marshlands, the sangai treads softly. The dancing deer of Loktak, the keeper of Manipur's soul.
Manipur gi thawai oiribi sangai kaubi sajina Loktak iyagi fumdi thakta nomna jagoi sajari.
Salak hai ngahong jali Saijui nau jina chachilak tatlay Loktak wi kamatan chao nau Manipur wi ngakaikan kahai mayon kame.
many voices, united in our diversity, stronger together.
Tongan banat chatnabi kaya leidunasu chetna punsili khetnaba kaya sina khonjel amatta oina sagatli eikoina apunbagi lipunama
itum hiya miyur kujung thana ningjuk kujung thana gatai kangrok chili kokor rauka fa kangrum chili pangmaya
And in the hills of Ukhrul, the Tangkhul stand tall, guardians of our proud heritage, storytellers of the land.
Ukhrul gi chingsang na pomsingda thauna phana leiba Tangkhul chilinau singna ngakli lemjaraba inatpu liri malenda iramda masiki puwari
Ukhrul wi kapung chili Tangkhul na matong thai na kayakha shimlikat mayon kane leisalala kerjan angkane
In dance, we find divinity, the Rasalila, poetry in motion, faith made visible, beauty everlasting.
loinaidraba fazabagi tungnafam oiriba raslila jagoyasina ishwarbu hamjabagi lambida lamjingi thajababu mitmangda utlari
Jagoi kasa chili kathara kazingra moya bong chili thaya raslila lasem china injingda shit kasam thaing sak kamatha katang mavai mana
Tonight, we honor not just a flower, but a feeling, harmony.
ngasigi ahingsida lairang asibu ikai khumnaba khaknatana pirasi nungshi chanana hingminabagi paujela tusu
Aringaya itumna awana kha chimangli khya khami maning mana kha ningli khanga phau mrai ka cha chila zanga
A peace we hold dearly, a peace we offer freely, made fly far and wide.
thamoida chetna thamjariba shanti yelasi ngasidi miyamda yaukrasanu malem shinba thungna
itumna saklak ka kui chingui ka hai itumna lem aina kachika chingui ka hai salak aina la mashacha ka yauranu
And under one tricolor, we rise as one nation, one people. A celebration of what blooms when nature, culture, and hope come together.
machu ahumgi firal asina punsilasi amata oina aikhoi manglomda changsinminarasi
Gala apan ka thomaina sa ka kui akha jiwe asingli itumna nganing jaya yuraka jaraka sada
Welcome to the Shirui Lily Festival 2025.
Mahusagi fazaba inat amadi thazabana pullaba matamda leisha tamjabi Shirui Lily bu saithazaba kumhaini aikhoigi Shirui Lily Festival leishingani kunmanga
Timlon ngashan kala ka jihan khongrongli wan ka shop chui kamayon chia Shirui Lily Festival 2025. All right. Turn your back towards the stage now. Did you like the show? Did you like the drone show? If you like it, give it up one more time. A big applause for the tourism department for bringing us such an extravaganza show. Give it up for the tourism department of Manipur. Thank you. All right, cool. Are you ready for some rock and roll now? Who is ready to rock and roll this evening? All right. I would like to present you a band who has come all the way from Kolkata, India. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up and welcome Ginger Fish.
Everything we say can't come true now. Can't come true now.
As the band is preparing, I would like to read out a few notes about Ginger Feet. Ginger Feet is an Indian rock band from Kolkata, Bengal, formed in 2011. They have released 4 albums. High and Above, the first wave. Full-length studio album was released in 2013. Empty Spaces single produced by P.T. Adhikari was released in 2014. Make Your Stand is a single produced by MTV India, released in 2016. Free is also a single music video produced by Keshav Dar, was released in 2019. Ginger Feet has performed in many international and national festivals and events. They had opened for Flash, featuring Miles Kennedy at MTV Extreme Music Festival, Orange Music Festival, opening for POD, Payable on Death, and NH7 Weekend Festival, opening for Musemat, 9.28 Music Festival with John and Brian Adams, Orange Festival, Dambuk, co-headliner with Wenjiwi Melstein, Pine Tree Music Festival headliner, and more at Shine a Light Festival, Rock for Change Festival, Hornbill Rock Festival, and Mr. Rock Out.
I'm using Logo's microphone.
Ginger Feet, ladies and gentlemen, was the winner of India's most renowned rock contest, Hornbill International Rock Festival
Yes.
2012 and
Hey.
Hard Rock Rise
Hey.
2013.
Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ginger Fit. Come on.
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, we need one microphone for the for backing. Check.
Yeah, good. Yes.
Okay, put me down a bit. It's dipping. Down, my level down a bit. On my monitors, on my ears. Yeah, let me. I'll talk.
What's up, Buckrow? Make some noise! Woke up to a dirty ache in my head. Last night drinks spilled all over my bed. Sketchy images running through my mind. Wish I would have left behind for the lonely tears that have filled my eyes. I give up to all your lies. Angel of disguise is what they say. What did I say? Coming away from the bad moon, hanging on to you, wasting time. I wanna leave it all behind. Let me go. I can't take it anymore. Loving you ain't nothing, but I'm sure it don't feel right. Head up with the rest of the mind while the shining thoughts that you leave behind. Wonder why they keep fucking with my head. Say no more, go out of my way for the sake of my mind and every drop of my tears. Once love, now beauty fears, but you know that it's true. Now you miss what you never do. I fall beautiful, hanging on to you, wasting time. Wanna leave it all behind. Let me go. I can't take it anymore. Loving you ain't nothing, but I'm sure it don't feel right. Make some noise for Loco, everybody. what's up, what's up? How y'all doing, people? Let us all bow down to the one thing that we love and respect the most. That's the power of rock and roll music. This one's called God Forbid. Religion drawing straight circles right now, shining through a faceless notion, telling its friends that no emotions now, hanging still with disbelief, thinking round the most to see the soul. If we all live tomorrow, we could shout it out to the material world, live in disgrace and to the relief that our second skin is forced to believe. Wondering why we let them go, a strong belief that they can never grow. For the sake of our God mighty, try and think that they can never sow. Helplessly hanging still, forced to see with disbelief was old. If we all live tomorrow, we could shout it out to the material world, live in disgrace and to the relief that our second skin is forced to believe. Yes. If we all live tomorrow, we could shout it out to the material world, live in disgrace and to the relief that our second skin is forced to believe. Have faith in me for no reason, set me free from those who see. I don't need no text or on me, I am God, don't read my mind. This is our first ever time in Manipur, and we are having an absolute blast up here on stage. Thank you guys for turning up in such huge numbers. Thank you all so much for being so cooperative. Let's just keep going, right? This next one's called No Division.
chances shine. Racism, the biggest threat to our society. Polluting the young minds, creating havoc, and dividing communities. So my friends, let us all join our hands together in this movement to eradicate this social evil. For we are the children of the earth, and we just belong to one race. We are the human race, the most advanced of all. So let me see you raise your fists up high in the name of peace. Come on, from the front to the back. Raise your fists up in the sky in the name of love. Raise your fists in the name of unity. And finally, raise your fists up in the sky in the name of rock and roll. It's like I'm falling again into the trap that's rising within myself. Seems that all these lies that stay. You can never hide the things that I'm afraid. Gotta come together. Gotta shout it out loud. Gotta join the hands and face the future with no division. Gotta come together. Gotta shout it out loud. Gotta join the hands and face the future with no division. Yeah. Ta-di-di-da-ta. Ta-da-ta. Da-da-da-di-da-di-da-da-da-da-da. Ra-ta-ta-di-da. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah! Gotta come together. Gotta shout it out loud. Gotta join the hands and face the future with no division. Gotta come together. Gotta shout it out loud. Gotta join the hands and face the future with no division. Hey, everybody! What I'm talking about? You guys having fun? Let me hear you loud and clear. You guys having fun right here? Come on, make some noise, oh crew. You can't be much louder than that. You guys having fun? Time for some rock and roll. Let me see you jump, all right? so much. You know, we as a band, we formed the band back in 2011, late 2011, in Calcutta when we were all studying for our colleges there. But then we all are from, in fact, basically all of us are from Kurseong, Darjeeling, and Gangtok. Very similar landscape to Ukhrul, and we feel very much at home, all thanks to you guys as well. Thanks to the organizers for having us here tonight. Thank you so much. And so this next song is called High and Above. This is the title track of our debut album, which was released back in 2013. And so we'd like to dedicate this song to the organizers of Shirock. Just a dream. Hope there'll be a reality one day. How I wish a day when all hate will cease. It'll be a sight to see. People unified, I pray. Oh, let it be peace. So rise high and above, my friend. Your hands are not to hurt, but try to make a change. Whoa. We all have got emotions. We all have got someone to love. Why waste time in hatred? Live a better life instead. There'll come a time when peace will prevail. Everyone removes the veil of hate and treachery. Oh, when will it be? So rise on above, my friend. Your hands are not to hurt, but let me try to make a change. Whoa.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. All right, for the next song, I want your participation, right? Are you guys ready to sing along with us? It seems just this bunch is excited to sing. What about the rest of y'all? Are you guys ready to sing with us? Let's do this, all right? Let's make this happen. Let us all have fun. Yeah? I'm gonna hum some tunes. I'd expect you all to repeat after me. Is that all right? What about this side? Is that all right? Yeah? Nice, thank you. So let's do this. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. All at once, buddy, all at once. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. 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 Sing hey, across, louder. Say hey, come on. That's right. Let us all have fun. This one's called Am I Dreaming or What? I want to see each and every one of you jump and dance. Got it ready? Woo! When I can't take no more and the day has left me weary, I found myself a place where I can take it slow and easy. Looking for a good time, it's my night out in the city. No one's gonna pull me down, cause tonight I'm going crazy. Oh, help me elevate, I wanna touch the stars. I'm gonna break the rules and fly. I swear I saw you. I couldn't see her face, but it had to be the girl I knew. And I can't remember, yeah, as the traces disappear. Was it just an illusion, baby? Did I even see you there? It's getting darker now, and it's getting colder, yeah. It ain't gonna bring me down today, but the touch of daily days, some fuses in myself as a distant calling reappears. As the colors of the dawn fills the mist in my eyes awakening, I get a better view of the world that I'm in today. Dread the feeling that goes my breath instead of mine, so I'm beginning to worry. But I feel it's fine enough to go all wild and crazy. Oh, help me realize
Just a little backstory before we start the next song. Back in the day, just a couple of years back, there was this music channel on TV. It was called MTV Indies. Have you guys heard of it? I'm pretty sure some of you have, right? So, God willing, we bagged the deal. We bagged the music video deal with the channel, and they were gracious enough to sponsor the entire thing. And this was the song which we chose for the music video. I guess it's still up on YouTube. If not, then we will be uploading it very soon. This one's called Make Your Stand. Clap your hands. We've been dreaming about equality, running around in circles, oh, can you feel me? Whispers of fun and tragedies, like a flow in the river, making a way to reach your destiny. Stop complaining now, leave it all and carry on. You know we can't get it all, but we still got to try. You know we can't even fall, that's the truth of our lives, yeah. Yeah, too many thoughts of filthy mind. Don't know where to go, I don't know where it leads. An empty canvas it seems. I know it's real slow, hanging on by a thread, that's all. Sitting at the edge of life. You know we can't get it all, but we still got to try. You know we can't even fall. Hold your dreams up free your mind and don't be afraid. Watch and learn, that's what they say. Ignite your will, come on, May. Make your stand, for thorns are where the roses lay. Clap your hands. I can hear the voices in my head get louder with every passing day. I feel it. Seems to me I can't express. I can see the colors fading. I'm still trying to steer my boat around. Chase the light one more time, yeah. You know we can't get it all, but we still got to try. You know we can't even fall. Hold your dreams up high, yeah. Oh, freedom, bells they ring and shine. Oh, freedom, bells they ring and shine. Oh, freedom, bells they ring and shine. Oh, freedom, bells that ring and Let me ask you guys again, how are you guys feeling tonight? How are you guys feeling tonight? Because honestly, we are having a blast up here on stage, like I said earlier. Let us all have fun again. We just have a couple more songs to go. And we expect y'all to give it your all, in fact. You know, at the peak of your adrenaline level. I want to see that, right? This one's called Fake You. This next one's called Mr. Boombastic. You feel it? Every soul, no crutches to hold. It's how I am, truth be told. All I want's just a piece of mind. and that's all I care. Now I'm on the road again. I'm all alone, but I'm okay. Unleash the beast within myself. Not here to reign, not here to fade away. I'm Mr. Bombastic, out of my way. I'm Mr. Bombastic, round and round. I'm Mr. Bombastic, out of my way. I'm Mr. Bombastic, learn to live my way. Shout at the top of your lungs when the chorus hits. You get it? Here I am to rise and shine. You gotta make way as I come from behind. Every step that I take leads to paradise. Follow me now, or you repent your life. That was fun, wasn't it? Yeah? You guys like what you're seeing? You guys like what you're witnessing? Again, we are Ginger Feet. And it's great to be here at Manipur for the very first time. This is going to be the last track of ours this evening, but we have a crazy lineup all set for tonight. And so we bid farewell to all of you guys after this song, right? This one's called The Vibe. Let us all go crazy for one last time. Can I get a yeah? Can I get a hell yeah? Can I get a hell yeah? Louder, can I get a hell yeah? Let's do this for the last time, everybody. Thank you all so much. You guys have our heart. as motion flows. In and out of dreams, emotion flows. Dreams of ups and downs, straight into the deepest chambers of my soul. Of my soul, yeah. Life is in the distance now. Crystals of formations in the gap here told. Frowning regulations of everyday's feelings. Sorry, I close my eyes and dream. Hey there, fire! Come from the air. And then I'll try one along the trail. The sound of buzzing winds up at the empty feet. While the lonely birds sit on towering trees. Breezy feeling of highs and lows. Forsaken memories, feed and slow. Hey there, fire! Come for me, and then I'll try it. What a long time. I'm gonna see all of you go berserk right now. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So let's do this for the last time. Count the rhythm of flowing stream. Wash away all my flipping dreams. Now the sun starts to put me in, 'cause after every fall, you will win. You always win. Oh, fuck. Thank you all so much. This is Team Defeat signing off. We hope to be back soon. We'll leave you here. Thank you all so much. Peace, love, and rock and roll. We're gonna take a photo with y'all. Is that okay? So put on your smiling faces. Try to look as handsome and beautiful as possible, all right?
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Ginger Feet. Are you having fun this evening? Great job, bro. One more time, just for the people of Ukrul, for the love of Ukrul. How is it like performing for Ukrul?
It's fantastic. It's fantastic. I think I've said enough. Thank you guys so much for making us so welcome, making us feel so welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Are you having fun? Ukrul! Are you having fun tonight? All right. We still have 3 more bands to go. Yes, it's just the 2. Are you tired? Are you exhausted? Are you feeling sleepy? Do you want more fun? Great. Still 3 more bands to go. So don't go anywhere. Let's have fun together, right? Just before I introduce you, the next band, we will have a short time for presentation, which will be taken up at the back. I would like to read out the dignitary's name, and I would like to request the organizing committee to kindly hand over the token of love and appreciation. First of all, I would like to request the Chief Secretary, Mr. P.K. Singh, to kindly stand from where you're seated and accept the token of love and appreciation, followed by Mr. Warshang Hongyo, IAS, the Secretary of Tourism, Government of Manipur, followed by Mrs. Pooja Elengbam, IAS, the Director of Tourism, Government of Manipur. And she will be followed by Pravin, Secretary, Education and Youth Affairs and Sports. He'll be followed by Mr. Shailesh, the Secretary of Power. Followed by Shizdas, IAS, and Deputy Commissioner of Ukrul. And Mr. Sandeep Singh, DIG, Assam Rifles 10 Sector. Followed by the Central Administrative Officer of Tangkhul Region.
Hey. All right, all right, all right. Just before I present you the next band, if any one of you here needs energy to strengthen your body, if you want to strengthen your body, we have various hotels, restaurants, stalls which have been open. They are ready to provide you with varieties of cuisine. Go and eat, go and drink, come back with energetic body and have fun with us. All right? All right, so are you ready for the next band? Are you ready, Ukrul? Are you ready to have fun with us? All right, without further ado, I would like to present you the next band. It's a Christian rock band, came all the way from Kohima, Nagaland. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Divine Connection! Ladies and gentlemen, Divine Connection was formed on September 30, 2004. It's a Christian rock band from Kohima, Nagaland, known for their experimental style. They blend genres such as folk, blues, rock, funk, jazz, Hindi, and contemporary gospel music. Divine Connection stands for promoting a positive lifestyle, believing that young people can enjoy music and life without the influences of drugs, alcohol, violence, or immorality. They consider their greatest achievement to be winning the hearts of people and aim to continue touching lives through their music. They're featured in renowned Indian music magazines such as Rolling Stone Mumbai and Rock Street Journal, along with mainstream newspapers and websites. They've been invited for interviews and in-studio performances on television and radio. They have shared the stage with international acts such as FO of Israel, To Late Lucy of United Kingdom, and they have performed alongside Indian bands such as Parikrama, Raghu Dixit, etc. They have collaborated with Rahul Ram of Indian Ocean during numerous performances. They have won the title of Best Rock Band in India at the grand finale of MTV's Rock On. Divine Connection has headlined college festivals and various music events, sharing the stage with international sensations. Divine Connection Elroy full album 2008 was the winner of MTV Rock On. Ladies and gentlemen, give some love for Divine Connection!
inspiration that sets me up on high. Gave his life a living sacrifice for all. Doesn't matter if the skin is black or white. Doesn't matter if you're from the north or south. Doesn't matter if you're from the poor or rich. He loves us all the same, just the way we are. And now for the money's to come and pray to you. For the money's just to be with you. For the money's I'm full of gratitude. There's someone who loves me when I'm down and out. There's someone who knows my heart and all is dark. There's an inspiration that sets me up on high. Gave his life a living sacrifice for all. Doesn't matter if the skin is black or white. Doesn't matter if you're from the north or south. Doesn't matter if you're from the poor or rich. He loves us all the same, just the way we are. Now for the money's to come and pray to you. For the money's just to be with you. For the money's I'm full of gratitude. And I for the money's to come and worship you. For the money's to come adore you. For the money's just to say to you, I fall on my knees. I can't understand the reason why our life was laid down for all. I can comprehend the reason why this love just for you and I fall on my knees. And I fall for the money's to come and pray to you. For the money's just to be with you. For the money's I'm full of gratitude. And I fall for the money's to come and worship you. For the money's to come adore you. For the money's just to say to you, I fall on my knees, on my knees, on my knees, on my knees. Oh, yeah, yeah. This next song is from our debut album. I'm sure you guys will like it. The song called Tell Me You. We're living a time when wrong seems right. People living in fantasy. We are scar conscious. They tell me that wrong is right when I'm doing it the right way.
this illusion and without the hope they stay in a form of a godliness that denying its power, learning and trying to learn, but unable to come to the truth. But I'm caught up in minds concerning the fate. Tell me who's gonna stand, for truth will come by faith. And our principles comfort stand on your ground. And though we should, and our faith will try, knowing that in the end we will gain. Da-da-dee-da, da-da-dee-da, da-dee-da-dee-da, da-da-dee-da, da-da-da, da-dee-da. What we see, but then we'll know, as we'll know. In part we see, but then we'll know, as we'll know. Yeah, yeah. Tell me who's gonna stand, for truth will come by faith, and our principles comfort stand on the ground. Tell me who's gonna stand, for truth will come by faith, and our principles comfort stand on the ground. And our principles comfort stand on your ground. Are you alive, people? Can I have some noise, people? Awesome, awesome. When I look back on everything I've done, I know you must have cried a river of tears. You were there when I was feeling low, to walk me through my darkest fears. So when the sun goes down, those nights going colder, I will be there looking over your shoulder. And the deeper the love, the stronger the emotion. And the stronger the love, the deeper the devotion.
almost let you go when I thought I needed to break free. You were there, you whisper in my ears, why don't you share your dreams with me? So when the sun goes down, those nights are growing colder, I will be there looking over your shoulder. And a deeper love, the stronger the emotion, and the stronger the love, the deeper the devotion. I don't mind what you're doing to me, I don't mind, 'cause you're all I can see, I don't mind. Baby, you mean the world to me. When the sun goes down and those nights are going colder, I will be there looking over your shoulder. Baby, baby, baby. So when the sun goes down and those nights are going colder, I will be there looking over your shoulder. 'Cause the deeper the love, the stronger the emotion, and the stronger the love, the deeper the devotion, the deeper the love, the stronger the emotion, and the deeper the love, the deeper, the deeper, the deeper the devotion. I'm gonna let you go in my heart and love. I really love you, I love you. Ah, baby, I really love. Thank you all very much. To all my Christian brothers and sisters, this song's for you all. If you know, sing along with us. Have you ever told there is someone standing there by your side? Do you feel the touch inside your heart? Do you feel his tender care? Have you ever felt his faithfulness in moments of despair? Have you been aware of his helping hands? Do you need his tender care? I will walk with you, I'll stand by you, wherever you lead me to. I will follow you, I'll lean on you till the end of days. Safe without you, and all our leaves on trees sheds away. I'm lying here, a sunstick low, and all our mountains, trees, and birds look to me as beings of passage. Everything seems lying and saying now to me. Oh, please come and fill my eyes with colors. Oh, please come to me, my lovely dear. It's starting to look so good to me. When you're not around, my heart starts pounding without you. Yeah. Now you're gone across the river in a tempest I will sight for you. But I don't doubt you want me nearer. Share your hearts with me alone, and to hold my hands running in a beat. Oh, please come, feel my eyes with colors. Oh, please come to me, my lovely dear. It's starting to look so good to me. When you're not around, my heart starts pounding. Without you, without you. Oh, please come, feel my eyes with colors. Oh, please come to me, my lovely dear. It's starting to look so good to me. When you're not around, my heart starts pounding. Without you. Thank you. Please help me sing the song.
trust in me. Patiently, I will stand by you. I will stand beside you faithfully. And through the years, I will be a friend for always and forever. Call on me and I'll be there for you. I'm a friend who always will be true, and I love you. Can't you see that I can say I love you honestly? Can I see some hands in the air? Call on me and I'll be there for you. I'm a friend who always will be true, and I love you. Can't you see that I love you honestly? And we'll never betray your trust in me. And I love you. Can't you see that I can say I love Keep on walking that road and I'll follow. I'm not superstitious, I have no doubt that there's a reason how things turn out, while things are changing from day to day. And I keep this feeling with me all the way. And I want you to know that you're on my mind every day, all of the time. So keep on
times of wonder when I'm on my own, trying to find out if love is gone. Might make a difference, might bring me down. No superstitions is gonna turn things around. And I want you to know that you're on my mind every day, all of the time. So keep on walking that road and I'll follow. Keep on calling my name, I'll be there, yeah. And if the mirrors to break, it's easy to take. Cause deep down I know that you care. I'm not superstitious. No. So keep on walking and I'll make things right. Yeah, keep on dreaming each and every night. We're gonna make it, that's what we'll do. Right to the end, girl. We're gonna walk on too. So keep on walking that road and I'll follow. Keep on calling my name, I'll be there, yeah. And if the mirrors to break, it's easy to take. 'Cause deep down I know that you care. So keep on walking that road and I'll follow. Keep on calling my name, I'll be there. And if the mirrors to break, it's easy to take. 'Cause deep down I know that you care. Oh, I'm not superstitious. No superstition. All right. This is going to be our last song. And I just want to thank the organizers for having us here. Such a wonderful feeling out here and looking at you all, amazing people. Thank you very much once again. And just to bring a little different vibe in this, the whole arena. We'd like to do one song that was, that is in our own rendition during our take on the MTV Rock On. So if you happen to know this song, please help me sing the chorus part, all right? So, people, are you ready? It's a Hindi song, actually. You know what to do. That's the way. जरा सी दिल में दे Zara sa kwabo me sejatu Zara sa yado me basa मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जावे बना फिदा हूँ तुझ पे मेरी जावे बना All right जरा सी दिल में दे जगह तू जरा सा अपना ले बना जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तू जरा सा यादों में बसा मैं चाहूँ तुझको For the last time! Sing it! Thank you so much. How do you say this in Tangkhul? Ningshiya very much.
Ukron! Give it up one more time for Divine Connection! Show some love for Divine Connection, ladies and gentlemen! Okay, shout out for Divine Connection while they take their photo. Yes! Thank you so much, Divine Connection. It's a pleasure having you here. Are you loving this evening? Are you loving Shirock 2025? Mike? Yeah. All right. Just before I introduce you to the next band, Tangkhul tuai na hang okay sugar. Ishi Tangkhul now bingli request ka sa okay. Kachi kata na ngulung kui hair ka dale. Chimasa kwai sa se. Mi wiram mi ayar we na itum le leisalala na performance sa mi dale. Itum ache re kamatai na atum le welcome sa se perform sang sak se ka. Ngulung kui hair ka tuisak shima tuisang chimasa kwai sa se. Mom yak le. Mom yak le. Ningshiya organizers ping matun sa da request sa da kleine Nathum yi saklakan kui milo acha hau ko pogne itum 24 tang da vare chena itum ring palakan va se band perform sa da clapping li here ka pa pak chuma tu pa chuma sak vai sa se Ningshiya kala ishiwui volunteers ping la saklakan yang song mi dale ko Nathum la atum le corporate sa milo corporate sa mi rat la yang. Thank you. Arila. Ben kani lay for you. We still have 2 more bands to perform for us. Are you ready? Are you ready for the 2 bands? Can you hear me? Can you hear? You might be shocked. All right. I would like to introduce you the next band who has come all the way from Mizoram. Are you familiar of this band? They've come all the way from Mizoram. Which band is it? Which band? Ladies and gentlemen, with a big round of applause, let us welcome Magdalene! Check. Ladies and gentlemen, Magdalene was formed in the year 2005, and here are some of the achievements of the band. They are the winners of IIT Roorkee 2006 and IIT Kanpur 2006, and was chosen to perform in Great Indian Rock 2006 and 7. They have released 2 albums, which are Live Beyond Death, which was released in 2006, and Magdalene, which was released in 2008. Ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Magdalene! Louder, louder! Magdalene! 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 Yes! Give it up! Hitharan ko isi Tangkhul naubing kita katomtheilak rako gulung kui here kaka tuita kishi kam tuisi masabai rako. Thank you, thank you.
Hey, check.
Good evening, Ukru. How is everyone doing? Hope you're doing great. I just want to thank you all for having us this evening. And let's have some fun together, okay? Let's just have one rehearsal, okay? Ready, ready? Just listen, just 1 minute. Daily war breaks out, we're dying. Nation breaks down, we're crying. Blood of innocence flowing away. Ready for it?
Hello. I think it's good. Hello, hello, hello.
This is what I am, flesh with a soul. This is what I'll be, soul without flesh. Someday will come when I should die. Death for flesh, life for my soul. There'll be no pain, there'll be no tears. I will be free forevermore. I'm gonna live forever in a place called paradise. I've had my breath of life, now I'm alive. I'm gonna live forever, I will not die no more. The blood of God wash me, I'm alive. There is a flame down in my heart, no naked eye could ever see. Someday will come when you will see, burns out the flesh, wake up my soul. There'll be no pain, there'll be no tears. I will be free forevermore. I'm gonna live forever in a place called paradise. I've had my breath of life, now I'm alive. I'm gonna live forever, I will not die anymore. The blood of God wash me, I'm alive. Let me see your hands up in the air. You're beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you so much. This next song is called Nick of Time. It's from the first album that we are having. I hope you enjoy it. Nick of Time.
So lost all by myself, no one to hear my soul crying out, rescue me. Inside I've got a hope to lift this hurt high above, and now that I don't want to let this hope fade away. Oh, oh. You know the song, right? Sing it. 1, 2, life. We're one with what is so. We sweat flowing down the face. Happiness turns into tears. Peacefulness turns to fears. No one escapes but face it all. Under this darkness, I felt so lost all by myself. No one to hear my soul crying out, rescue me. Inside I've got a hope to lift this hurt high above, and now that I don't want to let this all fade away. Oh, oh. Life is a nightmare, fading at the nick of time. We're wondering what is hope. I'll just give some introduction about the band.
The one standing in my right with the bass guitar, his name is PB. You can call him PB. Give it up for PB, the bassist. And here on my left side with the guitar, his name is Bishal. Give it up for Bishal. And the person with the drums, his name is Pate. Okay, please give it up for Pate. This next song is called Eternal Life. Eternal life. You know, as a band, this is our first time here at Ukrul, and we really love the place, we really love the weather, the people, everything. Your face looks so beautiful tonight. Actually, this evening, I didn't attend the sound check also, because I was having a car sick. But seeing your face, all the bad things and all the bad memories just went away. And being with you, it's awesome tonight. On behalf of me and my band, I want to thank everyone who joined us in this event. And especially, I want to thank the sound engineer for giving us the best sound that we've giving us the best sound this evening. Okay, we personally want to thank the sound engineer for giving us his time, and he's wonderful. He's really wonderful. Thank you so much. And this next song is called "He's Waiting." No matter what we face in life, maybe the problems we are facing, but let's reach out to the Lord. He's still waiting for us.
So there you are, living in despair. All hope is gone just like a mist. And all of your dreams got wiped away. But don't doubt yourself that God is there for you. He's waiting. He's waiting. He wanna take you to the place that you've never living in despair. All hope is gone just like a mist. And all of your dreams got wiped away. But don't doubt yourself that God is there for you. He's waiting. He's waiting. He wanna take you to the place that you never know. Reach out your hand to the Lord. Call on His name with all your heart, with all your might, and with all your soul. He's waiting. He's waiting. He wanna take you to the place that you've never known. He's waiting. He's waiting. He's waiting. He's waiting. He wanna take you to the place that you've never known.
This next song is called "Don't Forsake Me." Don't forsake me. Really? Really? We'll head on to it. Just 2 or 3 songs before, okay? Then save me.
Folks have said in their heart, there ain't no God, never pray.
Anyone who can sing with us about the song? Open your heart. Have you heard about the song? Open your heart. Really? Anyone who knows Open Your Heart? Who can sing with us? Open your heart. Oh, yeah. I've seen many hands. Okay.
Leisha Tangkhul Express Pvt perform sad leilaga kachikatana makhaning thamka da klei face stage li Nathum chimasa mikhavai saklaga na hang da klei ne mulung koi no any object stage li mathamka mikhavai request sad lei volunteers ping na saklaga na khayang sang milo. Thank you.
There is someone who really cares. There is someone who hears your cry. Sing it, sing it. Open your heart and let him in. My life is ruined. Oh, she cried, my baby's gone. I've got no hope to live this life alone. And she said, my whole world is burning. I'd rather die than to live in agony. Sing it, sing with me. Nothing left to lose. So I tell her, look about. God is waiting for you to call. Yes, He's waiting for you to call. God is right here. He really cares. God is right here. He hears you cry. God is right here. He wanna heal you. Open your heart and let Him in. God is waiting for you to call. Yes, He's waiting for you to call. You may feel so lonely, so broken inside. Don't you worry, don't you cry. God is with you, you're not alone. Yeah. Heaven or hell? Heaven or hell?
To everything there is a season under the heaven. The time we're born to be alive and a time of letting it go. There you are, wild and free, but death is yours. It will come in a matter of time. You live for the first time, you die for the second time, and live again for the third time. And this one lies beyond the grave, where you will see when this earthly life is gone. Where would you go? To the heaven or in hell? Yeah. Take a look upon the ground now. Will it last for eternity? Make up your mind before your time comes to face the judgment day. There you are, wild and free, but death is yours. It will come in a matter of time. You live for the first time, you die for the second time, you live again for the third time. And this one lies beyond the grave, where you will see where this earthly life is gone. Where would you go? To the heaven or in hell? Where you will see when this earthly life is gone. Where would you go? To the heaven or in hell? Make up your mind before your time comes to face the judgment day. Yeah. Where would you go? Where would you go? To the heaven or in hell? Good night, everyone. Thank you for having us. What? Save me. Shall we? Really? Let's sing together, okay? Let's think about the world these days. How words have, you know everything about the news, right? So let's call upon the Lord to save our souls, to save our humanity. Let's sing together, okay? Right? Save me. Well, just a minute, sorry. I just want to request, if we hold our phones, let's turn off the lights up here, and let's turn on the phone lights, okay? Together. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Wow. After this song, we will take a selfie with you guys, okay? Is it okay? Wow, you're beautiful. Staring into the world, what do you see? Sing it. This world is weeping. Ocean of tears, no light to shine on earth. Something's wrong, so wrong. Daily war breaks out, we're dying. Nation breaks down, we're crying. Blood of innocence flowing away. Millions of soldiers dying, leaving their family crying. This world breaks down to pieces. Wow. Whoa. Staring into the world, what do you see? Life seems so cold, it's hard. This world is weeping as far as the eye can see. Ocean of tears, no light to shine on earth. Something's wrong. Save me. Here I am, Lord. I'm lying helpless. Save me. Here I'm down, Lord. We're calling out your name. Daily war breaks out, we're dying. Nation breaks down, we're crying. Blood of innocence flowing away. Millions of soldiers dying, leaving their family crying. This world breaks down to pieces. Here I am waiting for you, Lord. Now I'm in free to stand alone. Save me. Here I am, Lord. I'm lying helpless. Save me. Here I'm down, Lord. I'm calling out your name. That war breaks out, we're dying. Nation breaks down, we're crying. Blood of innocence flowing away. Millions of soldiers dying, leaving their family crying. This world breaks down to pieces, right? Give it up for Michelle. Let's sing together, let's sing it. 1, 2, 3, go! Here I am, Lord. I'm lying helpless. Save me. Here I'm down, Lord. I'm calling out your name. That war breaks out, we're dying. Nation breaks down, we're crying. Blood of innocence flowing away. Why, this world breaks down to pieces. Why, why? Why, why? Why, why? Why, why? Give it up for Batia! Thank you so much. Thank you for having us. Hope we'll meet again one day, one sweet fine day, okay? Thank you for having us. Good night, everyone. And before that, we'll just take one selfie with you guys, okay? Can we turn the light to the crowds, please? So that, yeah, that's